Honda's 1.5-liter turbocharged engine, coded L15B7, marked a major step in the brand's downsizing strategy. First appearing in the 2016 Honda Civic, this engine replaced larger naturally aspirated units by combining compact displacement with turbocharging and direct injection. The result was strong performance, excellent torque delivery, and improved fuel economy, all while meeting strict emission standards. Honda later expanded its use to heavier models such as the CR-V and Accord, and even developed a stronger SI variant for enthusiasts. But with all its innovation, the 1.5T is not without issues. Let's take a closer look at its design, strengths, weaknesses, and long-term reliability. The L15B7 1.5 is built on an aluminum open-deck block with a lightweight cylinder head, helping to reduce weight and improve thermal efficiency. To handle turbocharged pressure, Honda used heat-forged connecting rods, cavity-shaped pistons with optimized skirts, and plateau-honed cylinder walls for lower friction. Oil spray jets cool the pistons during operation, increasing durability. The head design features DOHC with dual VTC, variable timing control, 4 valves per cylinder, and centrally positioned spark plugs for efficient combustion. Multi-hole direct injectors deliver precise fuel dosing, while a timing chain drive ensures camshaft operation. Unlike Honda's traditional VTEC, this engine uses only VTC, no variable lift. A key part of the 1.5T's character is its MHI TD03 single-scroll turbocharger, paired with an electric wastegate actuator for fast response and reduced turbo lag. Boost levels range from 16.5 psi in standard Civics to over 20 psi in Si and Accord variants. A water-cooled exhaust manifold is integrated into the cylinder head, reducing exhaust gas temperature by nearly 100 degrees Celsius, which prolongs turbocharger life and shortens warm-up time. Compressed intake air passes through an air-to-air intercooler before reaching the plastic intake manifold, ensuring stable performance under load. In its standard form, the L15B7 produces around 174 to 192 horsepower and 179 to 192 pound-feet of torque, depending on the application: Civic, CR-V, or Accord. The Civic Si version pushes output to 205 horsepower and 192 pound-feet, thanks to a more aggressive camshaft, reinforced connecting rods, stronger pistons, higher boost, 20.3 psi, and larger injectors. These upgrades make the Si's engine more durable under high-performance use. One of the most reported issues is oil dilution, where fuel mixes with oil, leading to higher dipstick levels, fuel smell in oil, and misfires in cold climates. Honda addressed this with software updates and extended warranties, but owners are advised to use synthetic oil and take longer drives to allow the engine to fully warm up. As with most direct injection engines, the 1.5 suffers from carbon deposits on intake valves, leading to rough idle and reduced performance. Periodic walnut blasting or chemical cleaning every 50 to 70,000 miles is often necessary. Some owners experience rattling noises and reduced boost due to a failing wastegate actuator. While adjustment may solve minor issues, severe cases require actuator or turbo replacement. Faulty water pumps and coolant hose leaks have been reported, potentially causing overheating. Regular inspections and coolant maintenance are critical. The high compression ratio combined with turbocharging makes the engine prone to low-speed pre-ignition, LSPI, especially under load. Using premium fuel and high-quality synthetic oil helps minimize the risk. Dirty or failing injectors can cause misfires, poor fuel economy, and loss of power. Replacement is costly, but preventive use of high-quality fuel and cleaners can extend injector life. High-mileage engines sometimes suffer from worn piston rings or turbo seals, leading to oil loss. Monitoring levels between services is essential. Neglected oil changes accelerate timing chain and tensioner wear, leading to startup rattles and potential engine damage. Timely oil changes are crucial for prevention. The Honda 1.5T L15B7 and Si engines represent a new era of Honda engineering, delivering turbocharged power, fuel efficiency, and compact design. While not flawless, with issues like oil dilution, turbo wastegate problems, and carbon buildup, these engines remain popular due to their balance of performance and economy. For enthusiasts and everyday drivers alike, the 1.5T offers an engaging driving experience. But long-term reliability depends heavily on preventive maintenance and smart ownership practices.